In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. To start safely, open your preferred browser on desktop or mobile and type chatgpt.com directly into the address bar. Take a second to confirm the address is exact before you proceed. This simple check helps you avoid phishing pages that try to mimic the site. On the landing page, look for the sign up or sign up for free button. It's typically front and center or in the top right corner. Click it to begin creating your account. You'll now choose how to register. The fastest and most secure option for most people is single sign-on. Select Continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple to link your identity to a provider you already trust. This path saves you from creating another password and benefits from your provider's built-in protections. If you prefer using an email, enter your full email address, continue, and set a strong, unique password that you don't reuse anywhere else. Then check your inbox for the official verification message from OpenAI and click the link inside to activate your account. If you don't see it, give it a minute and check your spam or promotions folder. Next comes two-factor verification, which protects your account from automated signups and unauthorized access. When prompted, enter a mobile phone number you control. You'll receive a text message with a unique 6-digit code. Type that code into the prompt in your browser to confirm it's really you. Once verified, your clean, active workspace will load and you're in. Before we move on, a quick but important warning about account safety. Avoid buying shared logins or slots from third-party resellers. Those arrangements often route many people through the same enterprise token or shared password, which means your private chats, prompts, and uploaded files can be visible to strangers on the same account. They also violate the terms of service and can be shut down without notice. If you're on a tight budget, consider the official ChatGPT Go plan at $8 per month directly from your account dashboard, or simply continue on the free tier. If you want more capability, you can upgrade safely from within your own profile. Open your settings in the bottom left of the interface and click Upgrade Plan. You'll see the official 2026 options. Free at $0 with basic access and dynamic message caps. Go at $8 with extended messaging and standard image or file generation. Plus at $20 with no ads, access to frontier models, deep research runs, Sora video tools, and custom GPT creation. Pro at $100 with 5 times the plus limits and advanced developer tools.